Okay, so you come up this alley from the street, and then you come up these steps, and you wind up there at number 7.
This is 9. Okay, let's start with 9. So, yeah.
Más grande. Demasiado grande.
Yeah, a little. It's a bit too. Here, that one? Okay, that's... Yeah, this is 7.5. Okay, so we're gonna need that number. Actually, we're gonna need the number behind, which is the diameter. Okay, it's the circumference, the number we need, because we're gonna get the length of the piece of silver we need to make it your ring. Okay, so 7.5 and okay, that
Might be 10.
Let's get it started 10.5.
That's actually perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
10.5.
10.5.
7.5 and then. So let's start with his, okay? So we have that the diameter is 20.28.
20.28.
Okay, so what we need to do, I already know that the thickness of this is 1 millimeter, okay? Because we need that number too. So what we're gonna do is this. It's we're gonna get the length in millimeters of the ring, okay? Okay. So we have this is red, okay? You can use that back. So this is the length, but the thickness or how thick you want it, how wide you want it, you can choose.
Okay.
You can decide. So first you can make the mark of how wide you want it, and then you can just make a little. You can use this.
Oh.
Okay. To make it, if you want to make it more straight, use the ruler and yeah.
Not that I have a lot of experience as a mechanic and a machinist, but this should be easy for me.
Actually, yeah. I think that counts.
Okay. And so, if I want it about that wide, then do that to make it straight that way.
You will come just.
Just, yeah, good golly.
Perfect.
So,
Okay. Now I don't know if you've used the arc and the solvent. You've used it? Okay. Here is the wax. So you put it before you start cutting, and then while you're cutting, you're not gonna take it off. You're just gonna pull it off and put a little bit more and then continue. Okay?
I'm gonna wax the teeth. How saws work. It's been a while.
Up and down.
I'm trying.
So what? Actually, yeah, that's good.
I couldn't get a start.
And then straight. fingers behind the blade, like that. Yeah.
And you said this metal was from X-rays?
Yeah, the silver is recycled from X-rays. I don't do it. I buy it. No, I don't even know how to. Well, I mean, I read how they do it, but I don't know how to. But yeah, the guy I buy it from, he does it. He recycles it. X-rays. And it's $9.50, which is in Mexico it's not that common to use $9.50. It's mostly $9.25.
Okay.
I think in the United States it's more common to use $9.50 or $9.80. Here now it's $9.25. If you get lucky, because not people, when they tell you it's $9.25, but it's not. It's
Right.
So you can do that with the file.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Sand it or
What is it? Let me see.
Or do we?
Yeah, do that.
Okay.
So
you just
it
backed
was-
yourself into complexity, haven't you?
Where did I make them? Oh, okay. It's okay. I mean, you can do it just. We can fix it with the file after.
Okay.
So it's okay if it's not straight or if it doesn't look perfect now.
Okay.
You want the outside edge to be pretty straight, though.
Here. He already did it. Now what you can do, just to begin, because sometimes the beginning it's a little hard, you can do it like this, very straight
Okay.
on the
Get the edge.
Yeah. That's it. Now, try to put your fingers like that. Exactly. You can just twist it. So now that you have that, you can draw the design you want.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're gonna have to cut this. I don't know if maybe if you don't want it to be, or if you want it to be rounded, or I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So now I got to do that. And what does this do?
It softens the metal.
Okay.
So if you're gonna bend it, hammer it, or just manipulate it in some way, you need to make it soft. So you need to heat it. So the fire, not too close, not like this. Okay, this distance is fine. So right before it starts to get really red, that's when we know it's ready. Okay, so it's almost.
Okay.
These are the numbers, and for example, if you only want texture, we can use this. Okay.
Okay.
Or this.
Okay.
This is like to make circles. This is hammered texture. Okay.
Okay.
Or this is like a, how do you say? Dash.
Okay.
This is like a half moon.
Okay.
And then we have flowers. This is a flower.
Do you have a
This is-
dragonfly?
No.
It would be tiny.
It would be tiny.
Yeah. It's possible actually. This is a flower too. They're just different. This is a leaf flower as well. This is like a little wave.
You get those?
And what is this?
Okay.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
And then
I'm thinking hammered with some flowers in it.
Uh-huh.
Interestingly enough, I was thinking about doing some flowers and overlapping half moon sort of thing.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, but do that first. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Okay. And hold it straight, okay? And then just
Hammer.
and no, it's fine. Like that,
Just all over.
all over. Okay. You're gonna kneel it again. You're gonna hear it, and so and then you're gonna bend it.
Okay.
After that, you're gonna solder.
Well, you see
Closer. Yeah.
So?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Should they overlap? So they
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Now with this one, with the nylon, what's the name?
Pliers?
Pliers. Press in the middle. In the middle of the line.
There?
No, here.
In there. Okay.
There. Okay, that's
Okay.
better. Now, with these ones, you see it's still a little. You could,
Okay.
now, so you're gonna put the flux on the line, okay?
Right.
Just on the line. Then you're gonna open the torch. You're gonna dry the flux. Turn off the torch, and then you're gonna take a solder. You're gonna use, yeah. This. So these little pieces are the solder.
That's
okay?
all it'll take, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you're gonna put, because it's a little wide, you're gonna put 3 pieces, okay, of solder. So they have to be parallel to the line, right on the line, and
Right.
okay. So and for example, well, actually, one on the top, one in the middle, and then one here, okay.
Okay.
First the flux.
First the flux. And then the torch.
That's good.
That's good, really. Okay.
Try to take 3 now in the middle.
That piece of solder just jumped.
Let's. Okay.
Just burnishing the edges. Sweet.
To clean it?
Yeah, it's water with salt. The one you use for dishes.
Okay.
Yeah.